everybody's hearing is different. That's why we use the latest technology to tailor your hearing care to your individual needs. At a visit, we'll get to know you and where you're struggling with your hearing. We'll ask you about your medical history and then look inside your ears to make sure the eardrums and the ear canals are healthy. We'll then do a hearing test by putting headphones on you, and we'll play tones into your ears and we'll ask you to press a button whenever you hear a tone. We'll then plot these results on an audiogram and explain to you where you're hearing well and maybe where you're not hearing so well, and then we'll put a plan in place and make a recommendation to help you hear better.